Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a simple Deco mesh wreath. What you will need is, this is a 16-inch work wreath purchased from Hobby Lobby, and they're out now for Christmas, and I believe they're $6.99, but you can usually get them either 50% off or use a 40% off coupon. And Michael's also has them, and so does Walmart. So you don't have to get them made like this. You can do them yourself using pipe cleaners, but this is if you're just starting, I recommend getting the one that already has the little tinsels attached. Okay, so you'll need your work wreath, and this is, like I said, a 16-inch work wreath. And I've already made the prongs where they stand up. And this is the 10-inch Deco mesh, and I purchased this size at Walmart. Okay, let's get started. Okay, what you'll want to do is pinch your Deco mesh just like this and kind of have the ends kind of rolling inward for when you make your loops. So pinch, and what you're going to do, you can either take and use these little pipe cleaners that are on the wire wreath, or you could also use a zip tie to secure it. But I have just always used the little I don't know what you call these, but I'm gonna just call them pipe cleaners for now. Okay, so what I do is I let out 3 or 4 inches, and I go ahead and I stick it to the back, and I go ahead and take and twist these green pieces around it a couple times. Like I said, you could use a zip tie, but I've done it this way many years and it works fine. So, okay, so we're ready to start. Okay, now you're going to want to take in your hand and kind of fold the loops under. And the loops from here to here, I usually make about 8 inches. So if you wanted to, you could measure from here to your hand each time to get about 8 inches. It's whatever you prefer, but try to make your loops about the same size each time. And I always like to start on the inner circle, but you can start on the outer circle. It's just whatever you prefer. I'm left-handed, so this works best for me. Okay, so what you're gonna do is make sure your ends, these ends right here, you want the raw edges turned in. It just makes it look nicer. So try to remember that. And then you'll just make your little loop, just like that. And you attach it to the next set of pipe cleaners, push it down to the frame, and twist a couple times. Then same thing. Like I said, keep your edges turned in. Go about 8 inches. And twist it to the next set. That one looks a little small. To the next set of pipe cleaners. And the good thing about Deco mesh, like if you do it and you don't like the way it looks, then just take it out and do it again. So if you are not liking the shape of your loops, just redo it right then. Okay. And you just keep going all the way around until you complete your inner circle. So we're going to pause the camera, and I am going to finish the inner circle, and we'll be right back. Okay, I am on my last loop of the inner circle, and I have it pinched, and I'm ready to put it in the last little prong. And it's also the prong that has the beginning, well, the first piece, this little piece. Okay, so you can, as you go along, fluff your loops so you can kind of spread them out and make sure you like the way they look each time. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to start on the outer edge or inner edge, whichever way you start it, doesn't matter. And you're going to make your loops about the same size and just twist it in. Try to keep your edges folded in. Make your next loop and twist it in. And each time, like I said, if you don't want to, just play with it and make sure you like it before you move on. Okay, I'll go ahead and finish the outer circle, and then we'll be right back. Okay, I did the outer circle, and cut it off. And what I did was, if you want to, instead of using the ones provided, just grab you a pipe cleaner that matches the color of your Deco mesh and just take that end and secure it to the wire frame. And you can also add some wire to hang it up on your door to the back of the frame whenever you're ready. But let's flip it over and see how it looks right now. Okay. And this is just, and you can play with them and spread the loops, but this is the way it looks just going around it once. And some people call it puff wreath, and some people do the zigzag method if you want it fuller. So if you do want to make it fuller, because you can see the pipe cleaners and the wreath behind it a little bit, but I haven't added any decorations, so that's one reason you can see it. But you can take the 6-inch and pinch it in your hand the same way and go to the back, go in between the two wires, and then tie it onto the back. You use a pipe cleaner or one of the wires provided. And go to it and just twist it to the frame. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a puff. You're going to use your bottom and your top prongs. So like here, I'm going to start and I'm going to make a puff right here. And then I'm going to use it to kind of zigzag basically, and I'm going to go to the upper prong this time. Like I said, this is a little bit thinner because it's only the 6-inch, but I'm going to go to the upper set of prongs and twist, and then now I'm going to go down to the bottom set again and make my puff and twist. Now this is optional, it just depends on how full you want to make your wreath. And then since that was bottom, I go to the top now. So you just alternate back and forth all the way around and then tie it off. Okay, so go ahead and pause it and we'll be back in just a second. Okay, I went ahead and went all the way around doing the zigzag method to make it fuller. And now I am going to add some ribbon. I am making mine for Halloween, but you can make yours for whatever season you would like. But I found this cute ribbon for $5 at Michael's. And so what I'm going to do is kind of the same thing. I am going to zigzag my ribbon around the Deco mesh and just attach it to the green pipe cleaners. And when I get it all the way around, we'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like with the Halloween ribbon zigzagged all the way around it. And I just stopped where I started. And as you can see with the ribbon, it's a lot fuller. Let's see if I can hold it up for you. Well, it's hard to tell with me holding it, I'm kind of short. Okay, and I wanted to show you some more cute things that I got for my wreath. I got this witch at Michael's, and then I got these little witch legs at Dollar Tree. These little witch hats came from Dollar Tree also. These came from Michael's. The little trick-or-treat ghost with glitter came from Dollar General for $1. A little bat also from Dollar General for $1. And then the words spooky, Dollar General, also $1. Thought that was really cute. And then I have some spiders from Dollar Tree. I've got a little glitter spider too that I'm gonna add. And then I have also tied a big bow. See if I can move it so you can see. But I've also tied a big bow to add to my wreath. I did a video a few weeks ago where I showed how I tied this bow. So if you'd like to go back and watch how to tie a Deco mesh bow, you're welcome to. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, I think I'm going to get started decorating and adding a few more things. And I wanted to also show you, I have some ribbon, I don't know what it's called. It's not really ribbon, but I'm going to be adding some of this to the wreath next. Okay, this is what it looks like with the white tubing all the way around. And I just kind of randomly placed it. I've added the witch I purchased at Michael's, and I just used some stem wire to wire her to the wreath. I put a little wire around her waist. And then I also wired some little hats that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Okay guys, I have added the big bow, and I added some of the Halloween ribbon on top of the bow I'd previously made because it just made it pop a little more. And I wired it with the stem wire to the work wreath. I've also wired on a little spider, some of the little hats, word spooky, and now I am going to get my hot glue gun, and I am going to hot glue some of these little felt hats on from Michael's, and we're debating about adding the legs to it or not, and we still have some spiders to add. So in just a little bit, we'll show you our finished product. Okay, I hot glued on 2 of the little felt witches hats, and we decided to go with the witch's legs. And this is what it looks like. So cute. So we took tissues and stuffed the little pantyhose of the witch's legs, and so it gave it some dimension, and we really think it looks cute with the witch's legs. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Okay, here she is hanging on the door. She looks adorable, guys. Here's a little close-up of her. And those legs are from Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.